Welcome to Friday Takeaway. This week, we take a look at possible buying opportunities at Top Glove and Comfort Gloves, but before that, Trump's plan to impose potentially $200 billion worth of tariffs on imports from China has brought the world closer to a trade war. The US president has threatened to raise duties on almost everything Americans buy from China. But there might be a chance for the two countries to settle things more peacefully after China's Vice Minister of Commerce, Wang Shouwen, indicated that it would be open for talks to resume, which was good for Asian equities. Over in the UK, PM Theresa May saw two of her ministers quit: Foreign Secretary Boris Johnson and lead Brexit negotiator David Davis. This puts her and her plans for an orderly Brexit in a very precarious position. Back home, the government has agreed to continue with the LRT3 project after the cost was reduced to 16.63 billion ringgit, 47% lower than the 31.65 billion ringgit proposed earlier in March. And this was done by cutting both the number of trains and the number of train sets. As for CI, it was trending higher today, in line with a stronger close at Wall Street and most global markets. At last look, it has climbed 0.57% to 1,713.33 points this morning. In this week's This or That, glove makers are back in the spotlight, or to be more accurate, one glove maker in particular. Top Glove had a tough week as more sordid details from the Espion deal came to light, versus smaller competitor Comfort Gloves, which had a rough couple of months. Let's get started. They are the world's biggest glove manufacturer with operations across Asia, US and Europe. Top Glove started with just one production line in 1991, but now it holds 25% of global market share. Top Glove had uncovered some fraudulent misrepresentations by Espion directors Lau Chin-guang and Wong Chin-to, which resulted in Top Glove paying 640.5 million ringgit more than necessary. This week though, Top Glove has failed to stop Espion directors Lau and Wong from disposing their assets in Malaysia. Setting aside its recent drama with Espion, analysts say the stock remains a good proxy to a stronger USD. It is also working together with global doctors in collaboration with the French pharmaceutical giant Sanofi Pasteur to launch a vaccine center last week. Top Glove's share price did not take the Espion news well, hitting limit down on Tuesday, wiping off 3.8 billion ringgit of market cap in just one day. This morning, it was still soft at 9 ringgit 88 cent. JF Apex downgraded its earnings forecast and currently has a hold call with a lower target price of 9 ringgit. However, TA is more positive and believes that the ongoing court cases will not affect operations. It still has a buy call, but with a lower target price of 12 ringgit 91 cent. Overall, we have seen mixed views from the analysts: 7 buys, 7 sells and 4 holds, with target prices ranging from 6 ringgit 46 cent to 12 ringgit 91 cent. Formerly known as Integrated Rubber Corporation, it manufactures and trades latex gloves and was started in 1993 in Taiping, Perak. First quarter 18 profit fell 28% to 7.35 million ringgit, mostly due to a provision for deferred tax of 2.3 million ringgit, but more worryingly, due to a higher cost of sales and expenses. Comfort had a tough March as well, when the US Food and Drug Administration had added the company on its alert list, with 6 of its products flagged. The good news is that Comfort Gloves can still ship to the US. It is just that the gloves need to go through extra scrutiny. It is also working to get itself off the list, which actually helped improve its share price somewhat. Last month, the glove maker bought a 39-acre land for 13.22 million ringgit in Perak from Nestle Malaysia, and this is for its future expansion plans for more business opportunities. At last look, Comfort Gloves was trading at 81 cent, 32.5% down from 1 ringgit 20 cent on January 4th. RG Research has a neutral call on Comfort Gloves with a target price of 76 cent.